Welcome in, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Can everyone hear me well? Just want to make sure. I had to adjust a few things this morning. Good morning, Madman. Ashley. Chukima. Did I say your name right? Chukima? I hope so. Good morning, Charger Man. Got the notification? Nice. Let's run up the likes. Get it going. Share it. All that good stuff. Joe, how do you play options? You can trade QQQ based off NQ or ES levels. I'm gonna share the live real quick. If everyone would do the same while I do it, I would sure appreciate it. See here. Huh, it's not showing me the live. Strange. What's up, everyone? Well, what's everyone watching off the open other than this 30,000 bounce with Grisology? I would love to see if we could get down here for a bounce. Good morning, Matt. How you doing? Good morning, Jersey. You're watching 30,200. What do we think about this candle here off the data? Let's run up the likes, everyone, while we have time. Good morning. Who'd I miss here? Good morning, Emma. How you doing? See what Team Bull's into.
To the Zoom. It's nice on this side.
What's up, Team Bull? Good morning. For those just joining the Zoom,
You got anything on watch?
this is 30,000 area here. That's about it off the open.
Grizzly, it's the start of Q3 today. You know what that means?
Yeah, I know exactly what it means. Pay your
We're not going to
taxes.
talk about it though, right?
Yeah. I'm happy to
I don't
have to pay them, but I'm also not happy I have to pay them, you know? I'm happy to be able to. Let me rephrase that.
uh, here. All right. We're going to pay these fools.
Good morning. Good morning. I'm just sitting here, sitting some coffee, waiting on the market to open. I got the Apex accounts for later, everyone. We'll give some more of them away today. I like it, Jonas. I like it. Fine. Fine. Real quick, everyone. I'll give away one Apex eval to someone that shares the live right now. Now, put a little effort behind it. You know, come join us, trade, text, whatever. Share it and let me know. Let's get it going. Charlie, where are we going to get into some leaps on Walmart? What are we looking for? What are we looking for some leaps? Thank you, Border Gas. I know you always share it. I appreciate it. I'll turn on my fan for a bit. I'm warm. Good morning. Hope we just make a nice bag today. We had one. We're 1-1 on the week. One winning trade, one losing. 50-point loss, 200-point win. That's currently where we're at. Unless you want to count the break-even trade that we had to stop out of because of the bad fill I got. I think we could catch a trade today. My main area is going to be right here, everyone. There's a couple areas I'm watching. Possible reject around this Asia low or a bounce down here on this previous day low to 30,000. I really like this area. So just because I really like it don't mean it's going to print, but fingers crossed we get the confirmation there we need to take longs. I'm sorry. I do. I try. Try, Ashley. You know what I thought about doing? Thought about bringing one more person onto the Bears Den family. You know what I mean? Like adding someone else. We got Madman myself. Good morning. Good morning, Kim. How you doing? Sherwood. How you want that? You want my corgi's the other team member? Madman or my corgi? We both have corgi. What you got going on? DM me, Ashley. I'm still considering. It's not set in stone yet. Madman and I discussed it yesterday. So, is this live today, Chris? Yes, it is. First day of July. Where's everyone this morning? Everyone may be traveling for the holidays. All right.
We're gonna play. Where's the job application?
Real quick, I have another watch as well, Team Bull. I just want to update you all. I'm gonna watch this Asia Loafer reject if we push up.
Like 360.
Yeah, we have VWAP there. Maybe like maybe closer to 400. We'll see what it looks like when we get up there. I like that area. My favorite area is this bounce right below this previous day low around 30,000. So hopefully we get there. Not off the opening 5-minute candle like we have been doing.
Bro, we caught a freaking banger in Asia last night.
No.
We had a perfect high volume reversal candle. I don't know if you can see my screen, but if you can't, if you go back to Asia last night when we swept that 400 and had the high volume green hammer, we literally took that retest down at 96 for the longs, and it went like ended up going like 80 points.
Nice.
It's slower on Asia, but we caught a banger.
I'm gonna trade it some days, but man, there's not enough money in the world to give up my time all the time, you know.
Yeah.
Let's see what's going on here.
And that was a sweet. That 38.2. 0.382. That stuff was dope. And then as we were hitting our first take profit, Grizzly Mexico scored. We were going bananas.
Oh, nice.
I had a little outburst.
They
I couldn't contain myself.
what they went? They just had one score. I didn't see the final.
They won 2-0.
2-0.
So now they're actually they have a good chance to go to the final eight. They're gonna play DR Congo or England next. England.
So when is that? I still got to figure out the soccer schedule. I have no idea. I do know one thing though.
Harry Kane ain't got nothing on my Mexico boys. Sorry, not happening.
All right. After soccer, I'm ready for some fantasy again. USA tonight at 8. Let's see. Hey,
What do you say?
USA plays tonight.
Yep, we play at 6 or 7 or something. Let's see.
You putting any beds on it?
Yeah, 6 o'clock tonight, my time, so 8 Eastern time, 6 Mountain time. We play Bosnia and Herzegovina, whatever the hell it is.
That cleared things up.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Bosnia Patient with Jay Dunn. Let's go. Hey, bro, seen you were at the car meet the other day. You should have said hi. I met a lot of people there. It's actually pretty crazy. Whenever I go out, I'm meeting more and more people that rock with DOD and rock with Team Bull. I might be tall, and I might have tattoos, but I don't bite. Most of the time, I don't bite. Always come up and say hi.
All right.
Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Hopefully we get this bounce, man. That would be ideal. Just give us a nice strong confirmation. Take it back up to pre-market low, Asia low.
I am 6'7".
He's 37 too.
6'7", just turned 37. Going on 40, baby. I always said I'm gonna stream till I'm 40, so I told myself back when I was 30, I was gonna stream till I was 40. It's been 7 long years.
$37 long years.
All right, let's see here. 6'7" with bird mask. Speaking of which,
All right, how we doing, everyone? So Ashley, you're saying since Mexico won, we have to take shots of tequila for breakfast? Is that like the rule? Is that some unknown soccer rule I didn't know about? I don't think you all want to trade with me if I do that. I looked over, he has on a bird mask. Goofball. Is it a rule? I don't even know if I have tequila. I don't even think I have alcohol in my house. If I took some shots of tequila, I'd be outside building something before the live was over, doing something outside. Oh, I believe I'm gonna have to start turning on the ads on YouTube. Everyone, it's killing my algorithm. Maybe I'm Mexican too. No, I don't have any of that. My great grandmother was Cherokee though, full blooded. Oh, yawn. But other than that, I guess I'm just average white guy, you know. See what's going on here. Get on down there. Yeah, I'm looking for that 30,000 area, Jack. You hear me open the tequila? I was doing something with the cable through here. What everyone hit for a workout this morning? I was supposed to do legs, but somehow I ended up doing 50 minutes of cardio, then 20 minutes of sauna, and left. I may have to go back today, hit legs. Chest draws off. That's what happens to me a lot when I go to do legs. I somehow wind up on the bench press. Yeah, nice. What did I miss, Thomas? Did you have a dad joke? I missed it if you did. Nice. All right, everyone, I have a question for you all. Grizzology subscribers especially. Should I add J Dun's 2 bar to it? Make it, where you can toggle it on and off. Jaden already uses it. Might as well get his strategy on there. I know it's not his main strategy. He uses it for confluence, right? Or for added confirmation, however he uses it. I guess it would be added for extra confirmation. I guess it wouldn't be standalone strategy. I'm not for sure. All right, we hit that fair value gap midline nearly. I'm gonna watch this area here for reject. I'm not interested anywhere in this area. I mean, I thought it could help you all out. Give Jay Dunn something to make his life a little easier as well. You know what we need in there as well? You all, if you have a question, please interrupt me, drop it in chat. I'll stop talking and talk about that. But we need some swing trade signals. Just like automated, just come in for some good setups. I'm tired of missing out on all the swing trades I miss out on. He's already affiliated, Corey. Jaden's affiliated with Grizzology. We what was I gonna say? The swing trade signals. We need them in. Set up with automation where they just come in. We can decide if we want to take them. Because why not, right? Get into some longer type plays, give us more time to make money instead of trying to create our only income, trying to just day trade for income. We could just diversify through selling options, swing trading together. And that's something I can set up pretty easily for us. So I think GD's been the one doing the swings, Brian. This is another day of me telling you all, if you're going to get into Grizzology, if you want the indicator you see on my screen, community chat, and a new feature dropping very soon, just as soon as the developer is done with it, we're going to drop it. It's going to be educational and help you improve and fun. So get in before that drops. Expected that fair value gap well. Still above point of control. Nice, Dexter. I'm glad you started selling some options. It's been a game changer for you now. What's going on with CRM, Danny? Let me take a look. Wow. CRM, it does have some life. Dude, you know how much I'm up? I mean, I'm not up a ton, but 15%. I'm up 1,130 on the leaps that we was discussing. Good morning, Paula. How you doing? 15 minutes? PMI in 15 minutes. Thanks for letting us know. In 10 a.m. we have, wait a second. We have PMI in 15 minutes. I thought it was usually at 9:45. Oh, got you. The 10 a.m. manufacturing and construction spending. PMI was at 9:45. It is crazy that it's July 1st. Every time I think about July 1st, I'm happy the 4th is coming up, but stupid taxes. That's all I can think about. But I hope you all have a great July 1st, and hopefully you're not having to pay a ton of money today. It's a half size week for me. Short weeks equal half size, so do not overposition this week, okay? We got to keep profitable for the year. We can't be oversizing on short weeks. Brian, happy birthday. That's on Sunday, right? So I will not see you then. Student loans. You just dropped some money on fireworks. You know, I used to love fireworks, but I'm just not into them anymore. I don't know. I guess it's gonna have to make myself enjoy it somehow. Go watch some, or well, I can sit in my backyard actually and watch them. They shoot them every year close, so that might be what I do. Just sit in the backyard and chill. Nice, Luke. I know exactly what you're talking about. Short weeks can be hit or miss, and used to. I mean, we've done decent the last few, but used to I could not trade to save my life on a short week. Seemed like everything I take would just mess with me, you know. It could change, but as of right now, I still keep the short weeks half size. I like to make, like I said, if I on a short week, if I can hit the low four figures trading, or just even, you know, close to break even, I'm good. Capitalize on the full weeks. Yeah, there you go, Danny. We used to have. This is not advice, or never do this. It is dangerous. But we used to have some fun with fireworks. I'm just gonna say that. I'm not for sure how the live would like me talking about the activities we used to do as children. Yeah, there you go, Madman. We use the bottle rockets as well. Oh, real quick, everyone. While we're waiting on the setup, it is the first of the month, right? 1st of July. So, if you all use Take Profit, I need everyone to use code Grizzly so I can get the free accounts to give away in here. Some 50K and 150K accounts, I'll give them all to you all. Just make sure if you get some Take Profit accounts, use code Grizzly. Go to my website, grizzlytrades.com, click on the link, code Grizzly. If you want to read more about them, download my free ebook there on prop firms. There you go, Corey. I've done that before as well. Oh, thank you, whoever used my code for Tradify. This is the first day this week I don't like long unless we push down. I'm still looking for shorts. I feel like between. I don't like how that pre market high is but right above Asia low, but looks decent right here from like 95 down to 60. What's that area? I know it's dangerous shorting the market on the 4th of July week. That's right, 40% off. um, so if Luke, I think some people use like they just connect their evals for the data. Luke, you know what I mean? But yes, you do need some data on TradingView. Well, we're looking for a reject up around Asia low or a bounce around 30,000. That's the two levels I'm watching currently.
Film YouTube videos, so it took me literally forever to do.
Anything new on the watch list, Jetta? You're watching.
That pivot went crazy down here. We do have data in 6 minutes as well. Lucid or trade.
Data, huh? Hopefully the data is out of the way before it reaches our Asia level, everyone. That would be ideal. Give me some good questions in chat. Let's make it fun, educational, something. We can have some fun with the questions, the discussion, or educational. What is Grizz doing this weekend? Let's see. I got to prepare for a trip, for one. Two, probably grill some steak, work in the garden, work on Grizzology update, and see what else. I got to look at some real estate as well. But Sunday, I hope to just take it, have a nice slow Sunday, you know. Well, Brian, this is debatable the way I get my Asia levels. For me, in my back test, right, I like from open till 3 a.m. I know, Tokyo opens at 8 p.m., but that's just the levels I like. Three, I don't like the 4 a.m. close for a level on Asia for sure. What am I working towards with my profits? Wait a second. Jer says, is the orb back testable or the orb strategy? It is profitable, everyone. I've back tested it, but for it to be profitable, if you're just going to use the orb strategy alone, you really have to trade it like a bot. You know, you got to follow the exact rules, and it's very hard to do. That's why I'll use it. You know, with the volume, it has to have the strong volume confirmation for me. That's my edge. Same thing with supply and demand. Delta is my edge in supply and demand. Volume plus delta. But as far as what I'm putting my money into right now is land. I think this is just my opinion. I could be completely wrong. I think there'll be some good buy opportunities for houses soon. I think we're in a buyer's market right now. Call me crazy, but I think there'll be better opportunities for that type. But land right now is what I'm buying. And I'm putting my money into some big plays like the CRM, for instance. I got 7,700 in that, and about the same amount in the Netflix position. How do I value land and whether it's good investment? The best deals starting out is going to come from people you know. That's where you're going to get the best deals. Um, don't do them wrong, you know. Do the make them happy as well. But I'm no expert. I'm just getting rolling with it myself. I've been studying it for years. I've owned land and houses for years, but just now making the big moves. Maybe once I'm actually making really good money at it. I'll show you all more. I would definitely be dropping tips and tricks inside Grizzology business chat. So, all right, finally moving up. It's going to be a lower volume close, so the orb is not valid for me, everyone. Not valid at all. Do I invest in dividend stocks? Most of my boring long-term investments is automated now. Someone else does it for me. I got some, like VOO. VOO pays dividends. Um, got a couple others. Nothing crazy though. But it's more of a growth ETF. VOO. What are you all buying? What's the big moves you have been making as far as long-term investments or putting your money to work in general? Don't reject it. Nice. Good morning, Cowboy. How you doing this morning? Jackson says he's still buying Microsoft Wind. Microsoft building a house. I think the house I live in. Once I buy another one, I'm just gonna rent this one out. Turn it into kind of do it like that. Just move around, pay the houses down, and rent them. Why not? But that's not my main play. That's the long term play. The main play right now for me is buying land. I like how we talk a lot about business in these lives. Telling you all, day trading is good income. One of the best side hustles in the world, but building businesses and scaling them is where you'll get the best return for your money if you do it right. It beats real estate and stocks, I believe. What did Scott say? Nice. If you all ever see any good deals on land in your area, let me know. If you all get the family deals, I'm down. If I know you, the OGs. What are we looking like, Danny? Is negative 500 earlier. Nice. Fabiola. Negative. Wow, that reversed quickly. Danny, jeez. I looked over to read Danny's delta, and the candle was green when I looked back. Still negative. Andrew, is it you got Grisology on with the VWAP? Is that what you're saying? You're using the VWAP on Grisology? Because my chart settings are here. Electronic trading, adjust for contract. What you need on. Are we trusting Grisella? It didn't. It didn't confirm. Did not confirm. If it confirmed, I would have considered it. Looks like there's a possible short entry here, but I can't go short because we're right above 15-minute range high. So what do you do? I'm not too crazy about that candle either. Kind of an ugly candle to short too. Appreciate the follow, Toby. Yeah, it has to close for it to confirm, you know. Grisology don't confirm here. I want a short. I want a short on up. Jeez, there's a ton of people in the Zoom. Let me talk to them. All
So
right.
this would have been probably where I took my first trim, but nothing for me. What do you say, Grizzly?
I'm just watching here. Grisology's trying to confirm that we're retest here, but I was looking for a short up around Asia low.
Took for granted all the times I never let you down. I bet Grizzly's loving his, or Grizzly. GD is loving his 20 EMA bounce.
He's in a trade.
He just loves the 20 EMA. We were talking about it when he was here.
I remember. Oh.
We got the U.S. soccer game tonight, too, baby. Let's go. Catching dubs.
We should just make these games a little earlier.
What?
I wish the games were a little earlier.
8. It's your bedtime, Grandpa.
I'm telling you.
It's crazy saying I'm older than you. You're 34. I'm 37.
Yeah. If it should have said I'm 30.
Orbin.
Low
Orb is Orbin. Holding my hand.
I don't like taking the orb into
Nope.
possible reject area.
Yeah, if you up right above it, just it's working this time, but you won't see this work out a ton, at least to this level. A lot of times you'll see us flush this candle low first, then move, or just consolidate. Dun, 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 dun. We got a decent looking reject up here.
Yeah, hopefully we get it.
Doesn't look bad. Does not look bad. Reminder, guys, we are over 30 minutes in. I appreciate you guys being here. Trading.
Come on, candle. Do not confirm. If I was going to try a long entry, I feel like pre-market low would be it. A little bit of a pullback. Hold on a second. I gotta check something in my living room. I hear something. Y'all gonna laugh when I tell you what it was. It's my turtle in there digging in the rocks. So loud. Well, my daughter's turtle. It's bad. You can hear a turtle digging underwater in your office. This is going crazy. Chrysology confirmed, huh? I'm slacking here. I may have missed it. 295. Quite a bit of risk there. But right below VWAP too. I'm gonna wait on this. You can take it with Chrysology if you like. But I'm gonna wait just because we're below VWAP. We close right below it. 297. I mean, y'all can trade with Chrysology every time. I'm not doubting it. I'm extra picky. I don't use indicators to tell me exactly when to take a trade. I use them for added confluence. Everyone showing up late this morning, but I'm glad you're here and made it. Not everyone. I have not taken a trade yet. I would have ripped some longs with Chrysology if we just closed above VWAP. Just above it. We had two things going against longs here, even though it's moving up. I know that, but before we've seen this candle, we closed below VWAP and we closed below 30,300. Write that down. And I make improvements to the orb strategy on Grisology. It's going to require more confirmation in the future. So, good morning, me. I'm just glad you're here. Glad you made it. My daughter has a turtle that I take care of. So I guess it's my turtle. It's crazy to think, though, the turtle outlived me. Outlived my daughter. If it lived this full lifespan. She's like, I'll just pass it on to my kids. I feel like a good turtle. This is a weird conversation. Gonna get me cracked up. I feel like a turtle though really could keep a family tied together through the generations, right? Just passing it down. Stories. I got on Grizzlies Live. He was just talking about turtles, not trading. I left. It can pump into the fourth art at home. And man, I wish I could get into these shows with you. I just cannot get into them. You're all always talking about the funny parts in chat here. Nice. Yes, it is, Josh. Ninja Turtles, that's a good one.
This is very interesting. If we would have had a key level, like let's say this would have been.
I'm gonna try some shorts, everyone, light size here. I'm in
I'm
some
just saying that, like
light size of shorts already. 80s Phil. If we have to keep my stop above that Asia low. I mean, it's not really invalid till we get up there. So
I don't mind that. I was gonna say I was gonna potentially test if we popped into like that 50% retracement 300 area. What do you get filled at? What do you try it at?
80,
Nice, like right here.
80 point something, yeah.
Nice.
But it's quite a big stop loss. Keep that in mind, everyone that's tried this. Short week, half size, light size.
It is a short week. The closer we get to the end of the week, the more likely outcome we have for shot. There you go. 20 points so far. Nice.
You all can trim where you see fit. I'd like to see pre-market low area like 213. That'd be nice. Don't let it go red. This is a short week, everyone. Short week.
I have my book map up. I don't see a whole lot that I like. Blown away. I appreciate y'all being here. I'm staying patient, guys. I'm waiting. We're bouncing the 15-minute high again and moving aggressively. Not aggressively, but moving. That's my boy.
I didn't get a trim off, everyone. I didn't trim. So you know. You did trim, I would have stopped out at entry.
This time around. The video Doge made about me. That's my boy. They just poke fun at each other.
It's going to respect the 15-minute range on low volume. That's weird.
I actually didn't. I did not like that setup either. I was going to watch for this 300. I'm a little sketched out with this 5-minute candle here, but this is what I was going to watch for shorts up here.
Jesus.
This candle's scary.
I know, but it's just not, the volume's not there, you know. Hopefully it's just not a day where volume's not in factor.
Someone streaming me laugh yesterday. They said, "Can I use code JDon with the IRS?" So I wish.
Man, you get my business. You get my business for sure if that was the case.
Yeah, it's tough to trade shorts on candles like this. I don't hate the idea still. I think it's possibly rejecting here and move down.
Shorts are still in play for sure. The volume's just pointing down. But I'm gonna, like I said, there's pretty wide stop on our trade here, so 65 actually.
Gene is still sick. I told him he couldn't come over until he's completely healthy. I don't want to get sick.
You don't want grandma to get sick either.
Yeah. Yeah, Gene's not allowed at the house right now. I sent him out to get me soccer jerseys, and he left them at the front porch.
What is going on? Man, I'm. It looks like a continuation candle, but the volume's not supporting it, so I don't know. You're live. You're live.
$250.
We're
80.
we're right at our entry here, everyone. If you didn't like the setup, you're getting anxious, think it's gonna pump, just get out. Real close to entry here. Now I'd have to be closer to pre-market low before I even considered trimming. So
I hate to fade you, but I do kind of like longs in this area. I'm going to watch for confirmation. I like this 5-minute candlestick.
what she said.
I could be wrong. I've been wrong plenty of times in the past. I'm going to watch, see how this price is developing. But this is typically what I watch for within the 5-minute. I see it flush down first and then wake up. See nothing for me yet.
Make me anxious staying this trade now. Everyone's seeing different things now.
I like the longs. I'm just being blunt for anyone who trades with me. I like the longs, but
Where's the volume of that? Though, why do you like about the volume?
Dead.
What'd you say, longs?
Yeah.
Oh no. Closes the trade cause of it.
Wrong before, but this is just how I traded the 5-minute chart. I like the longs, the high day, like 27.
What did you like about the volume for the longs?
5-minute confirmation, retest a 15-minute low, solid body up, slightly higher volume on the 5-minute. If we're gonna bounce, this is the spot. If we fail this previous candle, you guys are probably good to go. But right now we're bouncing this.
I agree. This is the area. It's going to go either way. But we also have the Asia low above. If it makes it through that, These people working outside my house are driving me crazy.
See what if Bosnia beats USA, you got to rock a Bosnia jersey.
I mean, if Grandma said it's going to pump, it's probably about to stop me.
I like the longs a lot. 280 down there.
I just don't see the longs, everyone. If you like longs, rip them, but I don't. I'm telling you, though, his grandma is right so often. It's crazy. You don't even trade. Yeah, I'm still in. I'm not getting shaken. I don't get shaked out, everyone. I'm just going to sit here. If it hits my stop, it does. The setup's there. We was respecting VWAP well there. Had a nice negative delta here on this candle. I was looking for a little higher up to take the reject. That's why I said my stop is quite a ways up, right? The original game plan was taking shorts in this area. But once I started seeing this here, I thought, well, there's a high probability that we sell off here. Just the new strategy that I've been testing, this is what I like to see on the lower time frame supply. But right now, this candle here kind of made it iffy. So now we see what happens. See, that kind of looks good as well. But we'll see. It wants to go up to test that fair value gap, I feel like. But I got in. I'm currently down about 15 points. I don't recommend entering if you're not in. Could stop us. We're right now everything's still pointing down, but we'll see. Could go either way. But there's no increase in volume, so nothing telling me just to get out right now. Holding. If you're new to trading, a short week is not the week to go heavy. These trades, if we take a loss, they should be paper cuts this week on your account. I'm telling you all, that's the only way you're going to preserve your capital. I do my best to give you the best, read the price action the best. We talk about the setup, we take trades together, but it's up to you all to position accordingly. If you trade 10 MNQ normally, you should be trading 5 or less this week, okay? This is my thoughts, my opinion. I'd like to get closer to this before I trim. So you all can do what you like. When we get in profits, we're right at entry. You can break out, you can stop out, break even right here, or a few points in green. Okay. That's what a lot of big dogs do, Brian. They take this week off. Short weeks. Excuse me. I mean, trade looks great now, but you know how it can go in a short week. Sometimes it just doesn't respect technicals. I was shocked that we caught a 200-point trade Monday. Are we getting pre-market low, Danny? I need to know, man. Tell me, we getting it? Oh. Feel like it's gonna bounce here, bounce back up, bounce. This is a myth with us. Everyone's gonna be sweaty by the time this trade's over. Well, we're heading down towards some trim spots, everyone. Do
No
not
trades.
at this point, everyone, set your stop at entry. Okay, if it comes back up, stop out at entry. Don't let it turn red. Told you all.
This is what I'd like to see if we do fail to go high. 5-minute candle close below, then I look for the reverse order of like 260 with stops at probably like 300 if we get a 5-minute confirmation candle. But it's gonna be close. We have a lot of time left on this candle, and the volume's gonna be higher for sure. It's just a matter of what the wick's gonna look like and what we're gonna get.
My stop is at entry, everyone. Trim, move your stop to entry, whatever you need to do. I'm not letting this trade go red. So that's clear.
Love.
All right. I'm taking a trim. My first one right here.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Whoa. No trades for me yet, guys. I would have taken those longs, but I don't like being in the middle of ideas with 30 points and then flip back. So I will if we close here, I will watch for a retest back up to like 260 and see if we can catch continuation down to like the 50% retracement of the day. That's down at like 200. Once we get there first.
Lose this pre-market low. I still got my stop at entry, everyone. I'm see give it a little wiggle room here. And I got one trim off. It may retest that pre-market and rip, but all right.
Bird beak.
Will this turn into another 200-point trade like we had on Monday? Let's see.
I'll join the party too if we close down here and then get up to like 260 to 270. I'll join the party. I'll join the party for shorts.
Does anybody make any money off this with me? Anybody? Run it up in chat if you're making some money. Make sure you tag me at Grizzly. Love to see it. I try to look at everyone inside there.
Let's see here. Yep, I'll be entering the party at 260 potentially. I'd rather us not. If we go break this 200 first, I'll probably wait. But that said, if we close down here, we have less than a minute left in this candle. I'll look for a retest back up to 260 with stops at like 300, 290 to 300.
Like we're about to flush this. Nice. Keep going.
50% at 250. So let's see here. Oh, don't wake up.
Give me one good reason we shouldn't get low a day here.
I'm going to watch for this 260 area, guys. I'm willing to try a short if we get up to like 260-ish. I do think that looks good for reverse orb. 250-ish to 260. 250 to 260. If I don't like what we see up there, or if we don't get it, then we wait and maybe we don't take a trade.
Uh-oh. Keep going. Keep going. Read that one like a book. Not a bad short week, honestly. I had one losing trade yesterday, but the other two this week, nice winners.
Like this, when we bounce off 200 and we move up into this, yes, I don't like that candle.
It's gonna mess with you.
Test and fail, I'm open to the shorts. Oh yeah, we get a high volume reversal candle. You bet your butt I don't like that.
My stop's at entry, everyone. I'm giving this room. I'm not crazy heavy in this trade. Trying to give it room to breathe, make the big move I'm looking for. Just trying to let my winners run here. What I'm doing. You all can stop out in profits if you would like. Okay? Everyone hear me? Clear? Do not let this trade turn red. If it hits 280, I'll be out and look for another trade for us, okay? If it gives us a long entry off this candle, I'll get out and look for entry for that, but I don't think it will. We'll see. Mustafa, did you catch that? Was it too much risk on the stop loss for you? If it was, I don't blame you. Anytime you think there's too much risk on a trade, set it out. Also, YouTube, if you all leave me after I give you winning trade again, use me and leave me. I need therapy because you all. No, it's nothing. Look, you did it right. It's a light size week. Catch you later, Ashley. Thanks, Nitro. I wouldn't be surprised to pump just because it's close to the fourth. But this setup here looks good for the down. I mean, it looks good as of right now. Looks like we could continue on down. We're bouncing off pre-market low again. Oh, 280, everyone. I'll be out of this trade. I'm hoping it doesn't hit it and continues on down, but whatever. That's all right, Jersey. I don't blame you. I don't really like talking to other people out loud. Like I have to actually listen to them while I'm trading. That's why I stay muted. Appreciate that. I'm still in shorts. Don't chase this, everyone. 280 was our entry. We got one trim off. See why I left my stop there? It nearly got it right.
We don't have volume, so there's a good chance we flush this.
All right. Still holding this trade, everyone. Stops that entry. I'm determined to get 200-point trade today. Close. At least down to point and control. That would be awesome. Like 118, 30,000, 118.
No trade yet for me, guys. Just waiting. We had volume on that candle. I would have tried the retrace, but no volume, no trade. Most of the time. No volume, no trade.
All right. Just rip straight down.
I do have a new waterfall in the office. That is correct. I need whatever mindset routine you're on. It's called DOD. It's called you just come in and be disciplined every day. You don't need to catch every move. So it's called I like keeping the money that I make.
It's called 1,000 milligrams of caffeine as well.
Massive amounts of caffeine and discipline.
So far, it's respecting pre-market low. Let's see if it can actually lose it and close below it. Let's just consolidating for the.
Just bought my first Tradeify account with code JDown. I appreciate you, Hershey. Just
want this trade to go. Come on. Volume increasing. Why do you hear another person? It's your conscience speaking to you. Telling you to tell your friends to join Grizzlies Live. Not everyone has a conscience. I hope so. I hope everyone in here has one, at least in the live. There we go. That's what I thought would happen. There you go, Team Bull. What do you think? Are we printing or what?
We're no volume again, so I am not going to. I'm not going to take this, guys. I'm still waiting.
100-point trade, 110-point trade. Keep going. We're getting 200.
Let's see here, everyone. I'm still watching for this 2-bar. If we can get a strong candle here, look for a retracement up and then move down. We have like an hour left.
I took another trim here. I got one runner remaining, everyone. Stop is moved down in the profits now. That's what I'm talking about. Best.
Let's see. We will be looking for a retracement if we go up to like 2. Here's 270. We can watch for like pre-market low maybe. If we get higher volume on this, there's two options. Either A, a retrace into this candle for a 2-bar, or B, a retrace.
The 2-bar. I'm gonna make a decent bag off this, even though I was light. It's been a good week, right? We had one losing trade, two big winning trades. We had a 50-ish point loss, 200-point trade on Monday, and this one is currently at what? This 140-point trade. This point of control would be a great final price target if you just have one runner. If you have two runners, everyone, trim 117, hold for this zone. The ideal trade goes to supply or demand, and this is the current hourly demand right here around this 30,000. My stop's right at the top of this candle, everyone. It may get it. Move my stop in the profit. Everyone heard me, right? Nice. You are making some money today. I love it. I still got to do a giveaway, everyone. Stick around. It's not much longer until the giveaway. So stick around for that. Hopefully we're out of this trade by then, and it's way down here. This candle is pushes straight down. We get out. You got to lock in on these lives. I'm telling you all. If you just joined yesterday, took a losing trade with me, you're like, well, crap, he's no good. But you stick around for a month, do some math, and see how it works out. You don't like it then? No hard feelings. Team Bull, I have my stop loss in profits at 204. Okay? For those that are still in this with me. Right at the top of this candle. It pushes up, I will be out in profits.
Let's see here. Potential we get a reversal candle here, guys. Let's see. We're still above point of control. We're above opening.
I'd love to see a massive reversal candle right now. We get out of these shorts, look for a long entry, play it up. Danny, what was that? Thanks, Todd. I'm out of this trade, everyone. Stop me out at entry. Terminal velocity. What indicator are you using? This is Grizzology, my personal indicator. You can try it out. Go to grizzlytrades.com. You can try it out. It comes with a community inside of WAP. And there's a new feature coming to the community very soon. It's going to be big, so now's the time to get in if you're going to. Go to grizzlytrades.com. You can access it there. grizzlytrades.com. Nice, Brandon. Grizzology. If you have any questions once you join Grisology, check out the support chat there. You can put in a message, and that's what I answer there. Or Instagram is a good place to DM me.
Sorry, guys, we're gonna catch a banger. We're gonna catch a banger today. There's no doubt about that.
I don't doubt it a bit, man.
I'll also be trading live on 8.
You're welcome, Luke. Stick around a bit, everyone. Let's see if we can catch another trade. I think there's a big move coming. We caught a nice move. We'll just call it a 140-point trade, okay? Now I want to see. It made a sell off right here. I don't know if it'll make it through all this. All right, what are we watching here, everyone? Let's talk about it in case we get another trade. I would be open to take another trade, but if we take another one, the position I had last time, I'm going even lighter. Okay, this is how I like to do. We've got a green week. We're locked in on the green week. Short week is green, so let's be very cautious. Protect our profits. So we can take them into the weekend with us. What's up, Oscar? How you doing? I forgot to pick someone that shared the live earlier for the free account. I apologize. Should we do it one more time and pick someone real quick? You shared the live, Liv? All right, everyone, share the live. Say join Grizzlies chat. I don't care where it's at, as long as you don't get in trouble for posting it. I'm gonna pick soon. Let's see. Liv, since you posted it twice, I will give you one. You have to DM me on Instagram, please. Also, TC Trades. TC Trades can have one. That's all for now. Let's see if we can catch another trade here. It's tempting to take shorts again, but technically this is a valid short, but we're right at this pre-market low. I was thinking about it. No, I lied. Looking at the wrong candle. This is not a valid short. Do not. You can take it if you want, but I was looking at the wrong volume candle. Looks like it's about to hit, but still. Appreciate you, Jersey. You're welcome. Full ported. It's working out for you then, Spartan. You shouldn't be mad. Oh, it's good for shorts. Honestly, just looking at it, just spectating, talking to you all. Telling you, the graveyard is full of accounts that tried to fade us, right? I know you're kidding, Spartan. I'm messing with you. I got you. Where's everyone trading from this morning? Where are you checking in from? Let's get this chat going again. Still here. I don't plan on leaving soon. Tennessee here. Minnesota. Los Angeles. Colorado. One of them's hanging out with Lucifer. Nah. Sweden. Negative 200 Delta. That's where Danny is. New York. Cleveland. Virginia Beach. Lawnmower. There we go. Ed said he's in Narnia. So, Miami. Texas. Connecticut. I need everyone. If you use Take Profit, I need everyone in the live using code Grizzly so we can get the free accounts in here. I have to wait till the first of the month to get the free accounts. We have to hit a certain amount to get the free accounts. So go to grizzlytrades.com. Use code Grizzly for Take Profit, the 50K accounts. My favorite, but that was backwards for us. We had a flash flood over the weekend. Now it's heat advisory. So yeah, that's right. Art of home. What are we doing here? See what we got going on right here. That's right, Liv. As soon as Madman's ready to join me, we're gonna take another Nashville trip. We just have to talk him into it. Midman just likes to go for the food. Right? Isn't that right, Midman? Food. Oh, trust me, I like it just as much as he does. I'm just saying. That's trying to think of the name of the restaurant that we ate at. I always forget the restaurant's name. It was so good though. The first trip, Midman. Kind of seeing something similar here as I've seen right here, everyone. This is I've mentioned it for a while. The lower time frame strategy that we've been talking about, making notes on. I'm not ready to take longs yet. I'm just talking. Oh yeah, I would say there's a quite a few options there. You know where it has the best food that I've been? One of the best places to eat. And I was surprised. Even the sushi was amazing. It was Denver. I don't know why I was shocked, but they have some really good food. The one place I ate at, they flew the sushi in from Japan every morning, from what I read. Good morning, Austin. We gotta hone in this on this strategy. Look, it's hitting again. Yeah, there you go. Danny, you took a trade. I missed it, man. Sorry, I was talking. Danny just took a heater trade, and I'm talking here about eating. Just gonna reject this VWAP hit hard. We'll see you in the morning, Austin. Thanks for stopping in and saying hi. Does anyone here use Code Grizzly for Apex, Tradeify, or Take Profit? Yes, I'm about to give away an eval for Apex, but you don't have to use Code Grizzly to qualify. I just like to get the hands in chat. We're a little ways away from any trade I'm watching, so this is the perfect time to do this. Who would want an Apex account? I'm going to give away one more EVA. This will be the third one I've gave away today, and the fifth one this week. I'm going to pick. Let's see. Can't decide. You all give me anxiety trying to pick here. Let's see. All right. I don't know how to say the name I want to pick here. There. I posted it in chat there on YouTube. Pick you. Yeah. All right. That's all I'm giving away for today, but I'm still looking for a trade here. We're gonna watch this VWAP for a possible reject, but we just didn't quite touch it. You're very welcome, Shelly. Thanks for the kind words. You made some sushi money. Nice. Fine. It's a sushi day for me as well. You made up my mind. Okay, right. You all want to know what the AI summary says over here on TikTok? Giving away a free EVA in Apex Legends. Comment your best strategy for trading. What? I guess that's the summary for the live here. Oh, let's see what we have going on here. Some sushi. What's the promo code for my indicator, Daz? NQ. If you want, it gives you make a wish, everyone. 1111. But anyways, it gives you 50% off the first month. Bear flag, everyone. You all trade that sort of thing. Oh yeah, it's no longer. That is no longer the code, love. You don't like all the lines? I just want to see if it hits. That's how we used to do it for bear flags. For sure. Have a good day, Sherwood. I'm watching for another trade. Once I don't see another setup, then we'll call it, okay? Code NQ didn't work for you, Daz? There should be a 7-day free trial right now on the monthly. Huh. Does it break out of this flag formation? I thought it would retest VWAP. That was my original thought. You made 2K in the last 3 days on your small account. Tempted to call it a week. I wouldn't blame you, Dexter. Small account, 2K. I mean, 2K a week's great anyway, especially on a short week on a small account. I am not TC. All right, everyone. See if we get above. We need some volume to point us in the right direction. Right now, I still see downside. But I'm not sold either way yet. Asia low still tempting, huh? Could it break? I'm locked in right here. See if we can catch another trade. I'll let you know if I take anything, okay? It will be light size, whatever happens. If it respects this zone again, the lower time frame zone we made here. This is definitely not a place to go long, everyone. Just a heads up. Don't go long yet. Unless you just want to. But I don't see it yet. Now, if we broke above this, had some strength, high volume, we pull back, retest this area down to VWAP, that would be a possible long entry. A slight increase in volume here, but one thing I want to point out, still downtrending in volume overall. Could reject hard here, climbing on lowering volume. Keep that in mind. We're pushing up to the zone I was looking to short. 340 to 360.
Oh, not move up and then move back down.
What's
That
up?
shows the buyers that we wanted to be in here have already participated right here.
Team Bull, real quick. I'm watching this area for a possible short. 340 to 364. If we close above 364 on a strong candle, it's invalid. We're still climbing on lowering volume here. We're pushing up, but volume's lowering. So it may just reject a few points early, but
See, I'm still watching for the longs, everybody. If
oh,
we
I didn't know you were watching for long. My
yeah.
bad.
It's all good. It's less likely now that we took out the high day. So less likely now. I'm not gonna take the 2-bar, but we'll still watch for a higher low in here. Still watch for a higher low entry. We'll see. Or a 2-bar right here. If we get a 2-bar in this candle, I'm still open to doing that. I'd rather see us close a little higher than retest like this 300 area. I don't think maybe we'll get higher volume. It's tough to tell right now. We're about it'll be close.
What are we
That
thinking?
trade just passed 2 FFF evals.
All right. Now, what do we think about a reject up here, everyone? Any thoughts? Should we try it or should we wait till pre-market high area? If we take this trade, everyone, this is my thought. Pay close attention here. First off, the stop loss would have to be above 400 or above at 396 or right above 400, whichever. You could enter at 340, add to it at 364 if we try it. Or you can just wait on the 360s for your overall position. But I do, MJS, I don't think so either, but just looking at this, everything I see here is telling me that we're going to reject. And it may do it right now and not even give me the entry, but as of right now, I don't see anything pointing up. SPY strong. Hope Jadon catches a nice winning trade. I'm not gonna fade his chat. I'm not gonna fade his trade rather. Sorry, I was reading chat. I said that. Oh, I just hate fading someone, Just never a good thing. So if I take a trade, it will just be here. Yeah, he took a loss, but I mean, it's okay. He'll bounce back. I don't think we're gonna get the entry we wanted, everyone. I'm not for sure if it still lowering volume. We'll see. Dang. That's the worst, isn't it? The mouse goes out mid trade. I'm not for sure if I'm going to take the shorts. I want to see what we look like when we get closer to that 45 to 64 area. I need. I hope my CRM calls get in the money this coming week, or even this week. I'll take this week. My leaps. How do I manage my leaps? I buy with plenty of time on fundamentally sound stocks that have plenty of room under their price target. If I don't, that I would buy shares of, or just be patient with it. I'll create a plan and follow it. The furthest I'll hold these uh, CRM leaps would probably be like in September. I'm not in a trade, everyone. I'll let you know if I take shorts. Um, I'd like to make if this trade goes the way I want it to, I should make over 10K on the swing on the leap rather.
Higher volume. If we would have had an aggressive volume candlestick here just for learning and educational purposes, guys, I would have 100% looked for
thinking it start. I like shorts, but I'm not going to take another trade yet. I don't want to risk my profits. Maybe the Asia low area. See what we do there. You can take it here, everyone. You take shorts here. No, I'm not taking it. 64. See what happens there. I'm trying my best to get a read for us here. You all have any input, let me know, okay? This is a short area. My original game plan was to try shorts here, 342, add to it at 64. No, it's not what I'm looking for. How come I see this for as a short area? Oh, we have Asia low, bearish fair value gap. We're climbing on lowering volume. Did I leave anything else out that you all see? This could be the high. Well, no, you don't have time to be a high volume candle. Spoke too soon. Oh, that's pain, huh? Kind of retesting this zone. See what happens. This could be where we get the high. Could go either way here because if we're going by this lower time frame zone, this we did close above it, but we're retesting it now. Not a strong close though. Lower volume. Retesting the top of that zone there. Interesting. Respected it, huh? You all right?
See a short. I was looking for a short at like 330. I was willing to try early. It stops at like 360.
No. Like I missed my entry as well.
I want to see three. It was even willing to try early at like 30.382.
But I'm happy with my 140 point trade. We knew it. I hesitated, didn't catch a second winning trade for you all. Hopefully, some of you all took it, followed the plan. I did not. I don't know if it's just me not wanting to risk my profits or other things, but well, I guess everyone, we can conclude the live here and come back in the morning, right? Try it again. Make sure last time if you use Take Profit, make sure you use code Grizzly today so we can get the free accounts to give away next week. GrizzlyTrades.com. Code Grizzly, yes. We made a bag. We are green on the week. All the lives can be found right on YouTube. So. Should I make a recap today? If I make a recap on YouTube, you all watch it? Of the trade we caught? Wait a second. If that's possible. Midman, is it possible for us to make one today real quick? Ugh. I know you have a lot of stuff packed up, you know. All right. I appreciate y'all for watching the live. Spread the word. Love to have some more people like us in here. We don't want no one that not on the same vibes, but you know.